Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic ذوق عبادت of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, passion of worship of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for English medium students. These are the notes of Islamiat class 9th for English medium student, Federal Board and Punjab Board. Lesson is the passion of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for worship. First, a detailed question answer. First question is that to write a note on the passion of the worship of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The first question, we have to just write love for his prayer, then reference, then the riwayat and the tradition hadith of Aisha as a reference, then the words of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what he said to her. Second hand is worship in Ramadan. We have to mention the routine of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam of worship in Ramadan, and then balance and regular worship. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was regular and punctual in the worship, used to be balanced, not too much or too less, and the same thing he advised to the companions to maintain the moderation in the and the balance in the worship. Humility, he was humble in worship, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then conclusion. After that, we have second question, give an overview of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam routine regarding the passion of prayer. What about the routine of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? ये हमने यहाँ मेंशन करनी है. First of all, we have to write the night prayer or तहज्जुद. What he used to do, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have to mention, and then obligatory prayers, how he maintained the farz namaz or obligatory prayers. We have to mention the routine of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prayer as a source of relief and joy for the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He used to take it as a relief, and the same thing he said to Hazrat Bilal. For Azan, we can just give this sentence or hadith as a reference, very easy reference. Then the routine of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Ramadan के रमज़ान में अल्लाह के नबी का मामूल क्या था. आप बहुत ज़्यादा इबादत करते थे, आम दिनों से ज़्यादा. ये हमने बयान करना है और इसको प्रूव करना है. उसके बाद इस क्वेश्चन को हमने समराइज करना है, कंक्लूड करना है. जो ऊपर लिखा है उसको 2-3 लाइनों में. द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, हाउ एंड वेयर कैन वी इम्प्लीमेंट द मॉडल ऑफ द पैशन ऑफ द वर्शिप. अल्लाह के नबी की ज़माने की जो इबादत है आपकी, उसको हम अपनी अमली ज़िंदगी में कैसे अपना सकते हैं. पहले है कि वर्शिप और नमाज में कैसे अपना सकते हैं. वी शुड कॉपी द मेथड ऑफ द प्रेयर डन बाय द होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ऑन द सेम पैटर्न. आफ्टर दैट in consistency it should be regular and on daily basis as a routine. Then in zikr we should follow the same way of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He used to do zikr of Allah, and in humility all these things. In financial worship, zakat, charity, sadaqah, sincerity and passion, helping creation of Allah. Beyond obligatory zakat, we should keep spending on the poor, and we must do the work for the welfare and the betterment of the people around us in our community and the society. We should take care of them as well, our relatives, our neighbors, our nearest and dearest. This was the way of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and where to implement in ourselves, in our homes, in society, community, wherever we can do it. After that we have short questions, so you should also just read them 2 or 3 times, try to learn them by heart. And over here we have prepared some additional question, because nowadays it is a trend of the examiner that he gives some question not only from exercises, even from the lesson. Therefore, as a sample question, we have prepared some question from the lesson. You should also prepare these questions from other lesson. اس کا بہترین طریقہ یہ ہے کہ آپ جو ہے while reading اس کو مارک کرتے چلے جائیں, نشان لگاتے چلے جائیں کہ these are the short question. اس طرح آپ کو آسانی ہو جائے گی یاد رکھنے کے لیے. تو یہ ہم نے جو ہے ایکسٹرا 15 کویشچن تیار کیے ہیں, 5 ایکسرسائز کے ہیں, 10 ایڈیشنل تیار کیے ہیں, تاکہ آپ کو پتہ چل جائے کہ ہر لیسن میں سے ہم خود بھی بنا سکتے ہیں. اس کے بعد ہمارے پاس ایم سی کیوز ہیں, ان کو سالو کیا ہوا ہے, یہ بھی دیکھ لیجیے آپ اچھی طرح. سالوڈ ایم سی کیوز ہیں. In the same way, we have prepared some additional MCQs from the lesson, because examiner nowadays asks the question not only from the exercises, even from the lesson. So just for practice, we have prepared some MCQs for you. You can just see these questions and you can yourself prepare from the lesson on the same pattern. Just check the question. اسی طرح آپ خود بھی اس کو تیار کر سکتے ہیں. While preparing the long and the short question, please keep in your mind, don't learn by heart. Don't try to learn by heart each and every question. Rather, you must try to read 2 or 3 times, keep in your mind, and then write in your own words whatever you have understood. It is the best way to write in the Islamiat paper. Not to just learn by heart the question, the points, only keep in your mind the heading and read them 2-3 times. When they will be fresh in your mind, then you would be able to just rewrite it in your own words. It is the best way. تو یہ ہمارے پاس جو ہے انسین کویشچن بھی ہیں جو ہم نے لیسن سے لیے ہیں, یعنی ایکسرسائز میں نہیں ہیں, لیسن میں موجود ہیں. اسی طرح آپ خود بھی بنا سکتے ہیں. These are the notes of Islamiat class 9th فیڈرل بورڈ اینڈ پنجاب بورڈ for English medium student. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.